Welcome back to another episode of Kinetic Crystal, where my goal is to help science be fun, and learning should be fun. Oh yeah, I'm an actual scientist.
So what are we learning today? Kinetic Crystal.
Okay, young scientist friend. Today on Kinetic Crystal, guess what we're gonna make? Fluffy slime. Fluffy! But before we can get into the fun of it all, I have to explain, how do we make slime? Why does it work? What chemicals are mixing to make this reaction, to make this gooey mess that you get to play with? For today's experiment, you're gonna need shaving cream, the foam kind, food coloring, Elmer's white glue, baking soda, contact lens solution, a mixing bowl, a spoon, plus what you're gonna measure with. Something that fits 3 cups, half a cup, and a measure for a tablespoon and half a teaspoon. Have you ever wondered how slime becomes slime? I know I have. I did my research like a good little scientist, and I found out the 2 main things is glue and contact solution. When these 2 chemicals, when they go together, they form a bond that's called a polymer chain. Polymer chain, that is the scientific term for today. The chemical in glue is a polyvinyl alcohol. In our contact solution, there's boric acid. And those are 2 chemicals that like to bond together and make slime in a polymer chain reaction. The other really special ingredient in our slime today, our fluffy slime, is baking soda. Did you know that baking soda is a naturally occurring chemical? It's sodium bicarbonate, and it's mined from the ground just like salt. I did not know that. What happens is when baking soda is mixed with an acid and a liquid, it causes a chemical reaction of carbon dioxide, and it makes bubbles like soda, baking soda. If you've ever had a nice, soft, chewy cookie, it probably had baking soda in it because it creates little bubbles into the cookie so it's nice and soft. Now I want some cookies. Are we ready to make our slime? I'm shaking my can of shaving cream, and then we need 3 cups. Now we're going to add food coloring. I'm gonna go with blue. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, now we're gonna stir in glue and baking soda. We are doing half a cup of glue. We need 4 ounces of glue. Now we're gonna stir in glue. Woo, do this near a window. Glue is strong. We need baking soda. Half a teaspoon. Make it flat. Now we add our contact solution, and you need 1 tablespoon. Look, it's forming it. After mixing in that contact solution, it just really caused that bond. Now you can knead with your hand. Oh my goodness, look at the slime! I've got to be honest, I've never made slime before. This is so cool. Always make sure you have permission. Be sure to wash your hands when you're done playing. I can't wait for you to try this experiment for yourself. I hope you have as much fun as I'm having right now. See you next time on Kinetic Crystal. Oh, wow.
Hypothesis. You take your results and compare to see what else there is. And after you fully understand everything you're hearing, you can put it all together in a scientific theory. Kinetic Crystal. Kinetic Crystal. Kinetic Crystal. Kinetic Crystal.